Hi, my name is Ahmed Maudi and this is my GNU Regular Expression presentation. What is GNU Regular Expressions? GNU is a complete free software system provides the world with the free and open implementations of all the tools that are commonly available on Unix systems. Most Linux systems come with the full suite of GNU applications. This obviously includes traditional regular expression utilities or commands like grep, set, and out. So what are Linux regular expressions? Linux regular expressions are special characters which help search data and matching complex patterns. When a match occurs, it can be used to extract or eliminate a line of data from the string, or to modify the match string in some way. Regular expressions are also shortened as regexp or regex. There are three types of regex and I'm going to explain the following three types, which is basic regular expression, interval regular expression, and extended regular expression. Some of commonly commands with regular expressions are grep, set, awk, tr, and vi. And I'm going to use the grep command, and here's a simple definition of grep command, which is one of the most useful commands in Linux terminal environments. The name grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. This means that you can use grep to check whether the input it receives matches a specific pattern. So the following table contains a list of basic building block expressions and meta characters implemented by GNU grep command and most other regex implementations. So the first symbol is the dot, which replaces any character. The upper sign matches start of a string. The dollar sign matches end of string. Then comes to star, which matches up zero or more times the preceding character. The backslash represents special characters. The between brackets groups regular expression, and last one is the question mark, which matches up exactly one character. So I created a sample file which containing some names. So now using the grep command to look for lines containing the letter A, and here are the results. Now using the regular expression character symbol, we'll search for the content that start with the character A. So the upper sign matches the start of a string. This is why only lines that start with the character A are filtered, and lines which do not start with the character A at the start are ignored. So now let's look for another example. So here we will look for character T in the same sample file. So now we will select those lines which ends with the character T. For this we will need to use the dollar sign regular expression, which matches the end of a string. So here are the results. Moving to the interval regular expression, it tells us about the number of occurrences of a character in a string. So the first expression, a curly bracket n matches the preceding character appearing n times exactly. The second one is curly bracket n and m matches the preceding character appearing n times but not more than m. The final one matches the preceding character only when it appears n times or more. In this example, first let us filter those lines which contain the letter B, so group P. So now if you want to check for character B appearing exactly two times in a string, one after the other, for this syntax it would be like this. So vertical slash grep minus capital E, the letter B, backslash, curly bracket, then the n times, which is 2, then close the curly brackets. Here are the results. And it should be noted here that you need to add the hyphen capital E with these regular expressions. Now in extended regular expressions, these regular expressions contain combination of more than one expression. Some of them are backslash plus and backslash question mark. So if we use the backslash with the plus sign, it will match one or more occurrence of the previous character, and the second one will match is zero or one occurrence of the previous character. So here we have search for character G, and suppose we want to filter out lines with character A precedes character G. We'll have to use the command like this. So vertical slash grep, then between two quotes will be the letter A, then backslash plus sign, which is the regular expression symbol, then the letter T, and this command will give us this result. And this is how we can use the extended regular expressions. Next is brace expansion. The syntax for brace expansion is either a sequence or a comma separated list of items inside curly braces. The starting and ending items in a sequence are separated by two periods. So now let's have a look for an example. So here we'll use the echo command to create strings using the brace expansion. Another example with the same would be this will create a string from A till Z, and another example will be like this. This will create integers from 0 till 11, and a final advanced example will be like this is how we can create strings using brace expansion. Another use of regular expression you might see a lot is messages when trying to create an account on different sites, saying your password must at least have 8 characters and at least an uppercase letter and lowercase letter or a number. So the example password pattern matching, they describe a pattern you need to follow in order to provide a valid password. So you can of course use a simple JavaScript code to validate that, but why would you if you can write a single line that describes the entire pattern? So the following regular expression is used, shown in the yellow. So here's a picture for the test, and this needs more time to explain it, but I will do it in a simple form. Essentially, we are using something called positive lockhead, and are sections of the expression that are in will search for inside the text. No matter where they are, everything inside the between bracket and the question mark equal is the section of expression that we care about. So the first one means that it will match any character that is followed by a lowercase letter. Second one, just like the previous one, but instead of lowercase, it will match if the following character was uppercase. Next will match anything that is followed by a digit, which is a number. Next one will match any character other than a line break that is followed by a symbol. And next, make sure the length of the match is at least 8 characters and any character thanks to the dot there. And last one will be the upper sign and the dollar sign, which make sure the match start at the beginning of our word. If all the above conditions are met, then the match is returned, otherwise it won't be a valid password. So results will be all passwords created are invalid except the third one because it meets the condition we set before. And thank you for listening.